Good morning or good evening. Today we're going to apply what we learned in the last episode to show that in 3D modeling, there are different ways to create a design, but the shortcuts we use remain the same. Everyone has their own style, but in the end, the fundamentals are the same and the result is one. Ready? Let's get started. First, we need to know that in 3D modeling, every model is constructed from a set of vertices, edges, and faces. That's mean. Vertices are individual points in space. When you connect two vertices, you get an edge, a line. When you connect three vertices, you create a face. However, it's ideal to use 4 vertices to form a face because quads keep your model smooth and easier to work with, especially for animations and detailed adjustments. Let's add a reference image to guide us while modeling. Here's how you can do it. Press Shift plus A to open the Add menu. Navigate to Image, then Reference. Select your desired reference image, for example, a simple sword design. The image will appear in your viewport, helping you align your vertices, edges, and faces to match the shape. We're going to create the blade of our sword. Let's add a new mesh to start shaping the blade. Press Shift plus A select mesh, select cube. Press X to delete the selected vertices. Press E to extrude the vertex. This will create a new vertex connected by an edge. Move the new vertex to define the outline of the blade. For a sharp edge, stretch it out as you build more detail. Press F to create a face between the selected edges. Blender will automatically fill the space between the selected edges and form a flat surface. Let's make a loop cut by pressing Ctrl plus R. Press G to grab and move the selected edge. Press G plus, X, Y, or Z to move the edge along a specific axis. As you model your sword, or any object, focus on creating faces with 4 vertices whenever possible. This will ensure your designs are not only clean, but also easy to edit later. If needed, use K to cut new geometry and create more edges where necessary. Reshape the blade. Let's set up a mirror modifier along the y-axis so that anything you model on one side is perfectly mirrored on the other. Press Shift plus E and move your mouse to the right. That will make the edge sharper. Let's set up a subdivision surface modifier to make it smooth. Feel like a swordsmith right now. This is epic. You can find all the shortcuts I mentioned right here or in the description below, so just relax, take it easy, and let your imagination run ahead of the process. Did you discover something new? Take a moment to think about how to create the tsuba, the part that blends art and function with incredible style. When using the mirror feature in Blender, it defaults to mirroring around the object's origin, which might not be ideal if you need a different pivot point. Don't worry, there's a simple fix, just move the origin to the desired location. Press Shift plus S to choose cursor to select it. Go to Object, then set Origin to 3D Cursor. Once the origin is adjusted, apply the mirror modifier and watch the magic happen around your custom pivot. If you can create the sword successfully on your first or second attempt, you'll earn a special reward from me that will help you in your future designs. This is your chance to challenge yourself and grow your skills. Just stay focused, follow the steps, and remember to enjoy the process. Modeling isn't complicated, but it can take some time, and that's perfectly okay. Remember, all you need is to get comfortable with shortcuts and understand the dimensions of your design. Always start with a simple sketch or reference model to clarify your vision. Focus on building the overall shape first, then add details step by step. Most importantly, don't be afraid to experiment. Mistakes are part of the learning process, so enjoy the journey, unleash your creativity, and know that every design you create is a step closer to mastery. this is the end of today's episode. If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next episode. And drop a comment below. What are you most excited to try in Blender after designing the sword?